getting the best grades you can in your GCSE Biology higher tier papers. A person's heart stops beating. The person stops breathing. A first aider pushes down on the person's chest. Pushing down on the person's chest puts pressure on the heart. Explain why putting pressure on the heart helps. So when you're doing first aid, the two things to remember is the person is no longer breathing and the person's heart stopped. Yeah. So what is the function of the heart? The easiest way to remember it. So it's 2 marks. That means we need to give 2 points to get the 2 marks. So the first point, they said the person's heart stops and we're pushing. The reason we're pushing is because we're trying to manually do the heart's job. So what is the heart's job? The heart's job is to move blood. Yeah. And the second thing is that the person stops breathing. So when you're moving the blood by pressing down on the chest, by pushing and putting pressure on the chest, what is your ultimate aim? The ultimate aim is to keep the main organs alive. And the thing that they require to stay alive is oxygen. So we're not only moving blood, but our aim is to move blood to get oxygen around the body. Okay, so move blood to get oxygen around the body. Let's move on to the next question. The next question then says, the first aider also forces air into the person's lung by blowing into their mouth. Describe how forcing air into the person's lung helps the person. So by just compressing the heart and putting pressure on the heart, we're helping move blood to try and get oxygen around the body. However, the actual oxygen comes from the air. So ultimately what this person is doing is providing oxygen